Today we will learn about what is an atom. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that still keeps the properties of an element. Everything around you, air, water, animals, plants, your phone, and even you, made out of atoms. What does smallest unit mean? If you keep cutting something smaller and smaller, like a book to pages, pages to paper fibers, paper fibers to molecules, molecules to atom. Once you reach an atom, you can't break it down and still have the same substance. For example, a gold atom is still gold. A carbon atom is still carbon. Means you cannot break gold into something else. Okay? Now, how small is an atom? Atoms are extremely tiny. You cannot see an atom with your eyes. Even a microscope struggles. Look at this. This is the real image of an atom. Look at how patterns are different in each element. And fourth point, millions of atoms fits inside a tiny grain of sand. Means a tiny sand which you even struggle seeing with your eyes have the millions of atoms in it. Next, what is inside of an atom? Now you wonder, we know what is an atom, but we want to know what is inside of an atom. So an atom has the three main parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Proton and neutrons found in the center of an atom, which is called nucleus, and electrons moves around nucleus. Okay. But now you will be thinking, they are like a solar system, and protons and neutrons are like a sun, and electrons are like earth and other planets and circle around the sun. But they are not. They don't act like earths. They are they circle around in a different way, which are unpredictable. But you can expect where an electron will be. Next, protons found in the center of an atom called a nucleus have a positive charge. So protons inside a nucleus, protons have positive charge, and nucleus are neutral, they don't have any charge. And electrons, they are negatively charged. You will see in the video. Neutrons also in the nucleus have no charge, neutral, add mass and keep the atom stable. They have mass which makes protons and neutrons stable. If atom is not stable, they will become radioactive. Electrons move around the nucleus. Like I said, they move around nucleus, but not like Earth move around sun. They act a very different way. They move in a very different way. Have a negative charge. They are negatively charged. Involved in chemical reaction and bonding. And so these are cells. These are called cells. And most outer cells, these are called cells. This is cell, this is cells. But this outer cell is called valence cells. Valence. This is valence cell. In the future videos, we will only learn about outer cells, not inner cells, because if we do anything to inner cells and if atom become unstable, it will become radioactive and dangerous for us. Thank you.